Welcome back to another video. Hey, it's been a while since I made one. Like a year. Oh, yeah, it's been like a year. Not good. Today, I got this lawn tractor sprinkler we're going to try to fix up. I got this for free from my dad. He said one of the gears is stripped out, so we're going to try 3D printing one and getting it going. I already took out the 5 bolts. Just some little 5/16 ones. Hold this in. We're gonna pop this top cover off and see what we got underneath here. Oh, guess what? This housing wants to come out. Okay, sweet. So let's go put this chunk of cast iron over here. Mint. Now, I was a betting man, and I'm not. I would say we're gonna need a flathead screwdriver. A little one right here, with not a flathead tip on it. I guess I don't have one right there. I should have one around here somewhere. I haven't cleaned my office yet since I moved to the new place, and just kind of been lazy with it. So everything's kind of everywhere right now. I'm back with you. Let me find a screwdriver. Next best thing, we got a knife here, so let's go ahead and pop this open. If it wants to pop open. No idea how to take this apart. I've never taken any one of these apart before, so we're just gonna massage around with this. Pry it up. You know, I should probably use a little bit stronger of a knife. I have a snap-on knife over there. Yeah, it's sitting right on my desk. That was an absolute hellhole for anything neat and organized. Oh, you guys probably can see that there, but starting to get her off. Almost makes. I got a pair of channel locks. I bet you we got to twist that off of there to open that. One. Yeah. Just gonna. I got too much stuff even on my work table. There we go. I think that's what. Yep, that's what we had to do right there. Was. Oh my God, these channel locks. Yep. Just gotta separate it off and. Off we go. That did not solve our problem. Be quiet, crackhead cat. We gotta select this somewhere. Nothing? No. So, back with you in just 1 second. Alright, we are back. That was kind of weird, my voice just did. So, I still have no idea how I gotta get this out of here. Still is kind of hitting on this thing, but none idea. So I don't know how we're gonna pop this off either. Unless I should just pop off, maybe. I don't know. Without breaking it, can we get it off is the real question. We're gonna bring you guys this way a little bit so you can see. This does not make any sense. Unless I gotta roll it to a specific spot. And you can hear that it's, well, not only that it's loose, but the gear is not happy in there. Well, she might be. I don't know, something's not happy in there. I know that because it wasn't working, wasn't moving, so I have no idea on how this is supposed to pop off. No, I wonder if we gotta pop this off. I bet you secured somehow in there. Oh, I think if we take a look. Where's my flashlight? There we are. I think if we take a look right down in there. Oh, I see some teeth. Yep, there's some toothage in there. We're gonna have to reprint something. What do we got on this side? It's holding us in place. I think it actually is a stopper that's holding us in place. Interesting. Let's see if it will pop off with the stopper down. I have no idea. Alright, I'm back. Well, got me a good old Dr. Pepper because never go wrong with that. So, I got a flathead screwdriver, only one I can find inside without having to go out to the shop. This really should be something I'm doing in the shop. I'm gonna say no. I'm gonna say that right there is gonna be really do this stuff out in the shop. Of course, the shop ain't got no power. Yeah, it's actually way smaller than the socket I have. So let me go. Here. And I don't have a flathead. Grab a screwdriver. Back in a second. I was using one the other day. Give me another second. We're back. Let's crack this. Dr. Pepper should sponsor me. Not sponsored right now, but it'd be great if you did. Let's see if this screw can come out with this. Oh, easy. Staples. Honestly, probably could have gone with that smaller one, but I didn't, so I actually don't know where the screwdriver came from. But I have it. I've never bought anything Husky, but I have a Husky screwdriver. So I usually keep at least a Phillips and a flathead inside the house, so I can accomplish nothing on this, because that's what just happened. There we go. We got a selector. That does nothing when you go to pull it apart. That's good. Oh, hey, see right here. We can see a piece of gear poking out. See, my dad said that he left it running one time. He didn't have to stop when he bought this one. He didn't buy it brand new. He got it used. Nothing wrong with that. And didn't have to stop or fell asleep one time, and it's a piece of gear right there. My hand, like, I didn't realize how quickly I moved until I just saw him right there. That's kind of freaky. So yeah, he didn't have the stopper. So how these work is they'll go follow the hose, and then when they go to stop, there's a little ramp that I'll end up 3D printing on my own, and it just pushes that up, and it disengages the gears. So don't know why though. It does not want to pop apart out of here. Maybe you just gotta put some more force into it. Let's try some, but not too much. Nothing. Let me go take a look at how these pop apart. What brand are you? Alright, it's been a couple days. Had a couple different versions that didn't work out. Mainly just printer settings I was working through. I hadn't really used my printers in a long time. We got this one made up. Oh, look at that, just peeling right off. I should use a slight cleaning. Oh no, that came off pretty easily. That is nice. Yeah. But nice surface finish. You can get that up in there. Nice surface finish. It honestly took me like 10 minutes to learn how to make a gear, and that was it. It's just getting the settings right. And then this one, I had the exact diameter of this, so it did not want to move freely on there, and it has to. But this one goes all the way on, and it spins freely. So that is what we're looking for. Now to put this thing back together. So I know that this big gear goes on this side. I don't remember how this gear goes. Over here. Yeah, I don't know how that one goes, so we're gonna be in for a ride for that one. I might go take a look on the computer. I think it just slides in like that. Actually, I can already tell you how it goes just by looking at the internals of that. That's got to go like that. That's got to go like that. Bam. There we go. I don't think I could have designed that more exact for this rod. Like that is spot on. Except for this needs to be flipped around, I'm assuming. Oh, my hand just started shaking for no reason. There we go. So, I have now learned how that's supposed to go, and it pops right in there. Oh, that's still... no, that can't go that way. Cannot go that way. It has to go this way. I mean, so a tight fit in there. There's no jack shaft or anything, so I know that I'm somewhere on the right path. If you slide, there we go. Yeah, it's got to go this way. There we go. So, all right, there's that. We got this right here that's gonna just pop into that. Maybe wrong side. No, looks to be the right side. Yeah, that's the right side. Okay. Now, figure out how this goes in there all exact. I really do not know off the top of my head. That gear might even be in there backwards. I think it is. Tell you what, I'm gonna go look at the videos that I made earlier and see how that came apart. Well, alright. Went and take a gander at the video that took it apart the other day. This one is backwards. And that is how that's supposed to go. I'm looking at it kind of right now. Yep, that is exactly how that is supposed to go. Sweet. So now we can just stick that back in. I've noticed a little keyway right on this thing. There's a little piece of plastic right in there that keys it so it stays straight. Not that, I really don't know why it's there. It's not really needed, but oh well. Get these all in there and put it in. Oh, yep. Pop right in. Sweet. I was getting a little bit of some of this grease on there. Stick that on there. Might help if I show you guys and not myself. Just stick a little bit on there. Not expecting it to really stick, but it'll help, quote unquote, for the baking process. Okay, I thought it smelled something funky, but nope, didn't. Thought the grease was like smelling putrid. All right, so that's in there. Yeah, I didn't take this apart at all, so it should just slide in. Let me get my gear selector, pop that in here. That selects this around, I believe. Oh, maybe. I think I see how that works. That makes sense to me. So we're gonna pop it in just like this. Just like this. Okay, this must need to go over more. Okay, so I mean it's not really in there solid, but right now, but I mean that's kind of anticipated. There we go. So that's the final drive gear. Yep, and then just change it. Man, I did something right. Okay, so now we just gotta stick this thing back together, and we should be able to go test this here in just a couple minutes. Let me flip this back around, put this bolt in here and this friction washer. I feel like something's missing. Yes, something is missing. This bit. Yep, that's in there. I don't think this little thrush washer came out of there. It could have. I didn't see it anywhere, so. Better than the engineer that built it, I guess. That's what that means, sure. Sure, we'll let that one slide. I already stuck that in there, so I'll just go ahead and put it down in and have this back up and running. Might help if I show you guys back up and running in just a couple minutes. No. Hey. This cat, I swear. Buddy, calm down. I know the door's closed. Get in here. Come on. Oh, shut up. You were outside the door for 30 seconds. I know. Friggin' cat. No! Go sit in my chair. Yeah, you go do that. Uh-huh. Yes, you go do that. Do what you do best. Yes. This cat just, Hey, bud. I did not say meow a whole bunch. I let you in so you would stop meowing, not continue meowing. Hey, no. Okay, so we gotta tighten that down some more. Unless there was supposed to be a spacer in there. I don't think so. Oh, be quiet. So that's... We're almost there, okay. I think that's actually part of that is that right there. Oh no, we still gotta go tighter, okay. There we go. Just right, ow, that one hurt my hand because that screwdriver's so small. Ow. Disadvantages of having friggin' long hands and fingers. Oh, that one hurt. Alright then, so we now get to stick this onto the frame. Oh yeah, that's a nice piece of cast iron. Here we are. So for anyone wondering, I made that gear out of PETG. I will have it up on Thingiverse if anyone needs it. Just made it out of PETG, 0.1 mil layer height. Took about 6 hours to print, but it was very nice print quality. So I think I might have lost a bolt. I hope I didn't. Crackhead, did you eat the bolt? Huh? Some people. Yeah, that crackhead right there. Did you eat the bolt? Huh? You probably did. Oh my goodness. This thing, it's kind of awkward to hold on a folding table. I haven't gotten a real workbench in here. I don't know if I will, but... Hey! Hey! No. But, I mean, it's better than my desk. This used to be my desk, this folding table here, so at least I have a real one now. Where is that bolt? Really? No. Well, that's where that is. I know that now. Okay. We'll toss that over there. There you go. You can have your leash. Don't know where that other bolt went. Well, that's a shame. There it is. Found it. No! No. Okay, you want it in, now you want out. Well, make up your mind, cat. There, go be free. You know, cats really make me question things sometimes. You want it in. You're going to want it in. And then 30 seconds in, you want it out again. Where's my Phillips screwdriver? Man, I got this one, but that's not what I'm looking for. It'll do for now. No. Well, maybe, yeah. It'll work for snugging, but anything more than that, it's just gonna be a nope. Well, I don't know. If I can't find it here in the next 30 seconds, I'll just call it good enough. This is, oh, I'm friggin' retarded. You guys can't even see. I really need to get something where I can see. Alright, so I wasn't in frame last time, so I'm not going to bore you with me putting those screws in. I didn't realize how out of frame I was, though we just got to screw this bit in and we're good to go. We can go test. There we are. We're good to go. Let's go test. Well, we've got it running. It started way over here, and it's been running for about 30 minutes, and it's working just fine. So I'd call that, oh, that's a thumb out here. End of today's video. Thanks for sticking around with me. Have a good day.